Hello everyone. In this very short basic video about Krita 5, we will look at 3 ways to enlarge some tool icons and the size of the text. First of all, the toolbar icons at the top. On the left side of the toolbar, there is an empty space. By right-clicking on that space, a menu called Icon Size will appear, where you can choose the size of the toolbar icons. The second method applies only to 2 of the dockers available in Krita. These are layers and brush presets. Inside them, in the top right corner, you can find a menu called the hamburger menu because of the 3 stacked lines. By left-clicking on these menus, you can change the size of the thumbnails inside them. The third method concerns the size of the text, that is the panel names, the menu names, and other interface text. To change both the font and the size of this text, we need to open the Configure Krita window from the Settings menu, and then select the Window tab. In this tab, we can change the font and the text size. Unfortunately, we will not see the changes in real time, but we will need to click OK each time and then reopen this tab to try different settings. Well, that is everything for this video as well. As with my other videos, the text version of this tutorial and other resources are available on my website at the link you can find in the description. If this video was helpful, you can thank me with a nice like and by subscribing to the channel. See you soon.